as you will all be aware, we have entered a process, and I have given an undertaking to the members categorically to deal with that process expeditiously. And expeditiously means before the 5th of February on a resumption of Dáil. I am now going to put the question. And the question I will now put, deputies who are in favour of
point of order.
say tall.
What about the legal advice? What about the legal advice, Ceann Comhairle? When will we get the legal advice, Ceann Comhairle?
Not carried. Not carried. Point of order.
Advice, Ceann Comhairle.
Point of order.
Ceann Comhairle, when will we get the legal advice? When will we get the legal advice, Ceann Comhairle?
We now move to the next business, which is the nomination.
Ceann Comhairle, when will we get the legal advice? Ceann Comhairle, when will we get the legal advice? When will we get the legal advice, Ceann Comhairle? Ceann Comhairle, when will we get the legal advice? Ceann Comhairle.
There must be fair, Miss Dáil. We are not going to take 5 years of being pushed down and unfairness. I'm asking for a standing order.
Resume your seats. The question has
Point of order, Ceann Comhairle. Ceann Comhairle, when are we getting the legal advice, Ceann Comhairle? Tell us when we're getting the legal advice, Ceann Comhairle. There is no good reason not to give us the OPLA legal advice now. Tell us when we'll get the legal advice, Ceann Comhairle. We need to get the legal advice, Ceann Comhairle.
You can suspend the House again if you can't resume.
We need to get the legal advice, Ceann
Suspend the
Comhairle.
House for 30